Welcome to Lesson 3. This is the part you already know how to do, and it is still the part most people get wrong because they write the query the tutorial asked for instead of the query the business asked for. Every company has 3 or 4 questions somebody asks every single morning. How much did we sell yesterday? Which cities did it come from? What is selling the most? Write those, and you have a project. Download a Kaggle dataset and write the same joins everybody else wrote, and you have homework. So open queries.sql. The first thing to notice is that this is a .sql file and not a Python string. 2 reasons. Your editor colors it properly, and an analyst on your team who does not write Python can still open it, read it, and fix it. Each block starts with a comment that says name : and then a name. That is not decoration. A tiny parser in metrics.py splits the file on those lines and gives you a dictionary of name to query. Here is the first query, and here is where I want you to slow down. Round of sum of amount gives you the total. Count star gives you how many orders that came from. And then look at the where clause, because there is a trap in it that costs people a month. Date of now, local time, -1 day. If you leave out that local time, SQLite gives you the date in UTC. India is 5.5 hours ahead of UTC. So between midnight and 5:30 in the morning, your job asks for the wrong day, reports numbers that belong to the day before, and looks completely normal while doing it. Put local time in every date expression you write. Query 2, sales by city. Same filter, then group by city, then order by sales descending. The only thing worth pointing at here is that I am ordering by the alias rather than repeating the whole sum expression. It is shorter, and it cannot drift out of sync with the thing above it. Query 3, the top selling product. Group by product, order by the count, limit 1. And notice the second sort key, order by count descending, then sales descending. Without that second key, 2 products with the same number of orders come back in whatever order SQLite felt like, so your top product can change between 2 runs where nothing in the data changed at all. That is the kind of bug that makes people distrust a dashboard forever. Now the loader in metrics.py. This function reads the file and splits it into that dictionary. It is about 15 lines, and there is only one thing in it worth defending. This check for a duplicate name. If 2 blocks in your file have the same name, one of them silently never runs. Raising an error there costs you nothing, and it saves you an afternoon. And this is the run function. It takes a connection and a statement, executes it, and turns the rows into plain dictionaries, not SQLite row objects. Plain dictionaries, because these results are about to be written to JSON and handed to a language model, and neither of those can do anything with a row object. In Lesson 4, we take these 3 queries and put them on a schedule, so they run without you.